Pag Wapi parang underwater tayo dapat eh.
Makagalang.
Oo.
Let's go!
Sabi tama yung ano, Arapaima? Arapaima ata ito. Arapaima at saka ano, alligator guard. Sabi yung look ko. Eh, yung alligator guard, alam ko. Ito diba? Alligator guard ito diba? Tapos Arwana yun eh. Aima? Ang laki sa mga mo. Mas dito. Arasin ka. Ay, akselatan. Akselatan na yun ah. Ayun na, akselatan. Carry kita. Kanina nag-move siya.
Dito sila.
Ha? Oo nga, laki ng block. Keep Samuel. Ano meron sa taas? Saan tayo? Baba muna tayo. Nag-exercise eh. Kahit ito parang wala kong kita. Kunin ko. Hoy yan, Samuel. Ang laki nung nandun, oh. Pero pa kaya siya ko? Tatsa. Samuel, meron na akong bago sa sea. Clown night fish. Samuel, Danios! Hindi ko na ay, yung fish niya, parang laki na wala. Sabi may starfish. Tapos ano ito? Ano fish yan? Parang siyang shark, no? Parang siyang shark sa amin. Try mo yung fingers mo. Ayun lang. Sa amin, look mo. Sa amin, look. Go. Nasa baba. Labain. Get mo na yung fishing rod mo. Samuel, may seahorse. Ayun ah. Ay, pagkaya tumakbo.
Lalapit mo sa mga aquarium.
Si Dory, Samuel! Si Dory, mag-isa lang.
Hindi na alam kung nasa rabbit fish na rin eh.
Ang laki, ang ganda, no?
Nakita ko.
Grabe, ang laki niya sa mila.
Gusto ko magkaganyan ako eh.
Ang laki. Tara, tingnan natin yung isang aquarium doon sa men. Para mas big pa sa ano no, sa body mo sa men.
Picture mo, sir.
Bye, have a great time. Haba ng sting niya, oh. Anong tail pala? Ganda ng stingray, oh.
Sabi gusto ko swimming ka doon. Look mo.
Ganda ng stingray, oh.
Sabi gusto ko swimming ka doon. Look mo.
Wait. Okay, Riley? Okay, so wait. Riley, you're gonna feed it, right? Okay, wait. So you're gonna follow, you're gonna tell her how to feed it, okay? Yeah, so Riley, you're gonna feed it. You're gonna feed it. So, yeah, so, okay, like this. No.
There you go.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, that's good enough.
It's good. Look! Oh, look, Sharky! Pet the Sharky! Pet the Sharky! Pet the Sharky! Oh, there we go! Okay, can Samir, go! Food, food! Yung food, Samir! Go, 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 go! Saan tinatsugan? Ano yan? One more daw, sige. Si Inay gusto rin mag-coffee. Okay, let's go.
No, Arthur, don't touch that. When you bump the foot. Yeah, that's it. Don't touch that, Arthur.
Look at the stain niya. That's the sticker.
Marami pa po ata.
Sabi feed mo Hindi mo throw!
Okay, Arthur.
Bakit mo tinrow?
Goping lang yun. Arthur.
Touch mo.
And Ryan.
Touch mo, touch mo.
I will just wipe so you will not get wet.
Anya, go, try mo. Come here, Samir, si Anya naman. Dito, dito ka. Fan sa amin. Mamaya, pupunas ko yung pink mo tsaka yung pencil.
Baby, the shark is there. The shark, honey, you touched the shark. There you go, you touch again. There you go.
Touch mo din, Samir. Go, go. Samir, touch mo. Samir, go, Samir, touch mo. Go, go, go. Yay!
Famous Kakatuwa all senses. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. There you go, cockatoos. There you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Jacob, featuring our part. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trinity Rochelle. So, here's an object that I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. Where do you want to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call it our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-breasted cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuwa galavita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They eat little feeding seeds, nuts, fruits, such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find a hidden object? If it's yes to say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, you can do it! Find a hidden object for us! There you go there! A round of applause for Dazzle! There you go there! A round of applause for Dazzle! We will hear our...
Bye-bye. Have a great time.
Now, 3. Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready. Set, go! Yours from first ball, following Sexy. Second ball for Rocky. Oh, it's set, die! And for the last ball, Rocky wins!
Rocky Lee!
Trainer Mikey, you lose this stand. What can you say about that? Hold it, we won another race. She wants another race, Trainer Jerry.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I won a ring race.
What's the ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole the fastest is the winner. And that is a ring race.
So, the ring race is shall be. Remember guys that boys already 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's your Rocky for his first ring. Alright, let's have it! We got the 3 at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy. Trainer Jerry, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Jerry and Trainer Mikey.
Inflation sa stand.
Comments are particularly known to be intelligent and Sassy. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and navigate work. Here's Sassy, our great Nicole, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back into the right slot. Just like Sassy, Green Nicole is from South America. They are known to be the jungle giants of the parrot family. That is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They may grow up to 92 centimeters and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoptera. They typically feed in seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along their river bands. And for the last shape, come on, girl. There you go. It's all done right. A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Mikey. Now, guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave equal battle in the maze. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before going our mathematical wizard, I need 2 numbers between 1 to 15. So any numbers between 1 to 15? 7. So the first number is number 7. How about the second number? 10. So the second number is number 10. So the equation is 7 plus 10. But before going our mathematical wizard, Trainer Jerry will shuffle the numbers. Once again, the equation is 7 plus 10. Okay, now let's go in our hybrid hall. Rocky! Well, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. Is Rocky ready? Go, Rocky. Solve the equation for us. 7 plus 10. chickens. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons. They're ready to return to its nest and mate. Here comes our chickens. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons. They're ready to return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our gravity guides, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that here is home. We all actually remember our friends in the sea, but also in Daddy here as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our lovely birds to show us the proper waste disposal. A round of applause for our gravity guides, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that here is home. We all actually remember our friends in the sea, but also in Daddy here as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? Introduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So once again, here's our lovely birds to show us the proper waste disposal. Very good. Easy, right? If the birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Yes! Well, in our own way, no matter how small efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's do our part in saving their wealth. Because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made the show possible. Trainer Regine with Sassy. Trainer Mark with Rocky. Trainer Jerry with Bobby. Trainer Mikey with Shadow. Trainer April with Speed. And once again, a trainer Rochelle. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seats because we still have a sea lion. Hello, everyone! Hello, Wow! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer AJ, and I'd like to greet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On my left side is the healthiest female South American sea lion that we have, and she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Isis. Together with Trainer Jerry, say hi. While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the cutest. Don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with Trainer Regine, say hello. Now let's continue. So guys, do you have an idea why they're called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? An idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no.
It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? That are Philippine speakers, which translated as we put it. Since their flippers will look somewhat like wings. In fact, they will fly underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, Sila and friends? And you know, they are often mistaken as seals because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about applause for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? And a round of applause for sea lion friends. As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short, coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Nice smile. They will also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see well both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no coloration. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shores, float like in sweet tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Sure, these come from flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest.
Wala na.
Sea lions generally cruise around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that is their normal speed. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ira and Trainer Regine. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready ICs, 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. That is surely fast swim. A round of applause for ISIS, the prettiest. Great job, girl. Wow, nice line. And another one, she's asking for it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yeah, that's right. Able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by a radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Okay, Sila friends, raiders, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready, guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! This time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute in a count of 3? Everybody please salute, and let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Well, thank you so much. 1, 2, 3. Salute, everybody. Well, thank you so much. Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Now, music maestro. Let's move it! Alright, do up your hands everybody, let's go! Alright, do up your hands everybody, let's go! Now guys, show them the side by side. And complete for dancing. Rock and roll like this. And into the water. The water ballet. Twist and after it. Wow, what a nice twisting. And around the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now guys, show them the boogie boogie dance. Boogie boogie. Shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake those booties. Shake trainers. Yeah, keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, show them what you got. People on the ground, ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady and arriba! And for the finale, steady and let's go! Around our Sea Lion friends, great dance number is wow, sweet. Thank you, Isis, Ira, and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending afternoon here at the Aquatica with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lion, Isis, and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any marine animals, cannot survive in a trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. Do you remember about this case and ocean are you? Always keep in mind that we're a store of planet and dust. Each one of us must do on what we can to protect and conserve all the habitats of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of ISIS and Trader Jerry, Ira and Trader Regine, and all of us here at the Aquatica Medical Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our Sea Lion friends. Bye! By the way, guys, if you love to have some souvenir photos with your loved birds and a sea lion, please approach our friend photographer over there wearing a white polo shirt. Thank you for watching.
Kami ito, penguin. Gusto mo penguin? head niya, no? Flat yung head niya sa amin, no? Baby ba yan? Ay, oo nga, sa amin mga music pala yung ganda. Video ko to. Pwede pa. Pwede na po, bawal po yung personal camera. Ay, hindi kami pwede mag-picture. May kailangan ko na siya. Kryptonite. Ayan ang ano, kailangan ni Superman. Pag nandito si Superman dyan, nanginginak siya. Kita lang. Kaya doon kasi yellow. Pwede lang po Maribel. Hola. Turtles! Sana look! Ang haba ng neck niya, oh. Samuel! Tingin mo yung neck niya ang haba. Stretch yung neck niya ang haba. Parang patotoy mo. Ito iguana laki. Samuel, look at the iguana laki, oh. Samuel! Brad! Sabi mo sa mga... Tingnan mo iguana dito, ang laki. Oh. Kita mo yung tingin niya. Tingnan mo yung face niya, oh. Hoy! Tingin siya. Picture kayo ni ano, Anya. Ha? Agam, Anya. Dito ka sa tabi ni ano. Dito. Anong price? Ken. Sabi nito rin pala, oh. Color orange. Ito, ano yan? Ito mas small.
Ay, gecko. Gecko. Hindi siya rin
Sabi nag-remove siya ng skin niya, oh. Nakita mo yung skin niya, ayun, oh. Nagtatanggal siya ng skin.
Hanapin mo yung front.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Mga gecko.
Pala na yung aquatic. May turtle pala yung aquatic.
Ah. Turtles! Turtles!
Okay.
Sa likod.
Ito, hanapin mo yung front. Find the front.
Frog? Ayun, oh. Ay, gumagalaw yung mata, eh.
Tingnan mo pa dyan gumagano.
Parang alam mo sa ano?
Sa ice
Small lang yan, Samuel. Ay, nandun siya sa loob eh. Carry kita, hold mo. Hold mo buti ah. Kita mo?
Sayang, slip siya.
Kita mo, nasa loob siya na house?
Ito pa ata.
Sa YouTube, tingnan mo, Sugar. Same thing, pero nandun siya sa loob. What's this? Ayun, nasa baka.
Lizard.
Lizard. Parang rock siya. Tapos napinto sa mga anong gaganon kayo. Tapos masakit yung bite niya. Sa amin may spider sa side mo. Ano yan? Uy, parang yung spider ni Annabelle. Tarantula. Ito ba tarantula? Tarantula. Ito ba? Mga tarantula lahat dyan. Yan, creepy.
Uy, Samuel.
Ito pati mo may spider web pa siya. Ito lalo na. Ang dami niyang spider web. Ito pa sa mga. Wala lang. Tingnan natin yung ano, snake. Sa mga look, snake.
Tulog pa yun, tulog.
Dahil snake ko.
Si Pacman. Oh, ano? Sabi yan. Ayun sa loob ng yung sa mata. Kita mo? Ayun ang breeding siya. Ay, sorry. Kala ko lalagay kita. Ayan siya. Hindi mo nag-breed. Ay, gising na. Gising na, uy. Big iguana. Video mo. Ano yan? Ha? Bearded dragon. Ito ba? Mas big na oh. Saan na oh?
Come here, you can see it.
Kita mo?
Here you see it. Up there. Where is it?
Small turtle lang. Ayun oh. Small turtle. Kita mo?
Thank
Ito hedgehog din. Sabi hedgehog din. Si Sonic. Sabi si Sonic. Naka-hide din siya eh. Puro naka-hide no? Naka-hide sila lahat sa...
Pag ginawa ko nito,
Ano yan? Oh, yung mga ano, dirt. Daming dirt. Wala. Elevation. Ano yun? Green na snake. Sa Milo. Ew! Scary!
San Boba.
Ito pa nga, oh. Ito sa Mil nakahit siya sa sand.
Kaya
Nakikita
mo
mo?
siya itato.
Come here, Samuel. Siyempre na. Samuel, owl. Sige.
Lulay ko scared ka.
Ay, ito tingin siya. Yung head niya, Samuel, parang sa CCTV. Kaya niya mag-turn ng ano. Parang monkey yung ano ko. Diba? Yung body niya steady lang, tapos yung head niya pwede mag-turn ng ano. Hindi, naman yung body. Oo, agad dyan lang. Sa kanya, back tayo na siya. Scared. Go, turn mo! Sa meron ba yan? Sige na yung ano. Dapat na lang ako. Hayaan mo na. Last one, QR code up. Nakakaramdam ko takot siya.